Welcome back. In this video, we'll be discussing data measurement and analysis. In any analysis, we use variables to represent what we're studying. Some variables show what we're studying or how it changes, dependent variables, while others represent the things that cause the change, independent variables. But how do we use these variables? There are two main ways to measure data, categorically and numerically. Let's start by looking at categorical data. As its name suggests, these data reflect distinct categories or groups. For example, they can describe where someone is from or what language they speak. Categorical data is more qualitative in nature and can be identified and stored based on names or labels. On the other hand, numerical data is all about numbers. It deals with things like age, weight, or height. These numbers can be measured. Now let's talk about how we measure data. Broadly, we have 4 levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal data is the most basic level of measurement. It's about categories with no numerical value. These data cannot be ordered or ranked. Questions like, what city do you live in? What is your favorite color? Or what is your occupation? All offer answers without an inherent order. The next level is ordinal. Here, data can be ranked, but the numbers don't have a clear numerical meaning. For instance, when you rate your satisfaction from 1 to 5, the numbers show a rank but not a precise value. We use specific methods to analyze ordinal data. Nominal and ordinal levels are part of categorical measurement. Now, let's dive into numerical measurement, interval and ratio data. Both use numbers, but there's a key difference. Ratios have a true zero, while intervals don't. For example, speed, like 60 kilometers per hour, is ratio data because it has a meaningful zero, while measuring temperature in Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius for instance, is interval data because 0 doesn't mean the absence of temperature. Why does the level of measurement matter? Understanding the level of measurement is vital for good data analysis. It helps us pick the right statistical methods for a data set. Different tests work with different data types, so knowing this helps us choose the best method and ask the right questions. In a future video, we'll go deeper into statistical methods and how they match up with measurement levels. This knowledge will help you pick the right tools to get meaningful insights from your data. Knowing how we categorize and measure variables is crucial for consistency. It helps organizations future-proof their data and avoid errors in analysis. For example, at the CICP, we collect data on people's views about the charitable sector. We use data from the Canadian Revenue Agency, which includes nominal data, charity types, and ratio data, expenditure and employee numbers. But our project mainly collects interval and ordinal data, like perceptions and preferences. In conclusion, understanding data measurement and levels of measurement is crucial for effective analysis. It helps us make sense of data and choose the right tools to draw meaningful insights. So, next time you're working with data, remember to consider how it's measured and categorized. It'll make your analysis more accurate and powerful.